AI overviews are redefining topical authority and how to build it, are changing what it means to have authority online. Instead of rewarding sites that just repeat keywords or hit word counts, search engines now highlight content that delivers clear, complete answers to complex questions. To build real topical authority, you need more than one-off posts. Focus on creating consistent, connected content clusters that cover every angle of your subject. Think like your reader. Start with the main question, then answer the follow-ups they're likely to have. Use clear headers, step-by-step lists, and bullet points to make your content easy for both people and AI to understand. Link related pages together to guide users through their learning journey and show depth. When visitors spend more time on your site and engage with your content, it signals expertise. Over time, this approach turns authority into lasting brand recognition.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.